Hi everyone, this is Jeffrey. Today, I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. Let's get started with VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP performs a vertical lookup. Search for a key value down the first column in a specified range and return a value in the same row from another column. Here is the syntax of VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP, search key, range, index is sorted. Search key is the keyword that we want to find. Range is the reference table. Index refers to the number of columns that we want to get. Is sorted is true if the data is sorted, but false if the data is not sorted yet. Here I have two vertical columns. The first column is for name of fruits. The second column is for price. I want to get the price of orange from that reference table. So I will use VLOOKUP function because the reference table is a vertical table. Equal sign, VLOOKUP, an opening bracket, an opening double quotation, orange. The word must be same with the word in the reference table. A closing double quotation, comma, highlight the reference table without the title from A4 until B8, comma, put number 2 because the price of the fruits is in the column 2. This is the column 1 and this is the column 2. Comma, then put false because the data is not sorted yet. Look at these letters A, B, O, G, and M, and a closing bracket. Then click enter. We get $6. But how about if we want to copy this formula to find the price of apples and mangoes? If we copy it right now, it becomes not available. Why? Because if we see the formula, it still finds oranges, and the reference table is not A4 until B8 anymore. To solve this, we need to edit the parameter inside the bracket. First, instead of using the word oranges, we can replace it with the cell address. I replace it with B10. Then, I will add dollar symbol before the cell of reference table, before A, before 4, before B, and before 8, to stop or to pause those cell address, so those cell address will not be moving when we copy the formula. So now, if we copy it, it becomes correct. Now, let's see the HLOOKUP function. HLOOKUP function searches across the first row of a range for a key and returns the value of a specified cell in the column found. Here is the syntax of HLOOKUP function. HLOOKUP, search key, range, index is sorted. Same with VLOOKUP function, search key is the keyword that we want to find. Range is the reference table. Index refers to the number of rows that we want to get. Is sorted is true if the data is sorted, but false if the data is not sorted yet. Here I have two horizontal rows. The first row is for names of students. The second row is for score. I want to get the score of the student from that reference table. So I will use HLOOKUP function because the reference table is a horizontal table. Equal sign, HLOOKUP, an opening bracket, use the cell address instead of using the name of the student if we want to copy this formula later. So I will use A7 for Robert, comma, highlight the reference table without the title from B3 until E4. And don't forget to add $sign before B, before 3, before E, and before 4 to stop or to pause those cell address, so those cell address will not be moving when we copy the formula. Comma, put number 2 because the score of the student is in row 2. This is row 1 and this is row 2. Comma, then put false because the data is not sorted yet. Look at these letters M, J, R, and J, and a closing bracket. Then click enter. We get 82. So now we can use the suggested autofill if we want to use the same formula for the others. Alright, I hope my explanation and my examples are understandable. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. To see more videos like this, please subscribe. That's all for today. I hope to see you next time. Bye.